teammates, much more experienced than him, but it's always a surprise how the Chinese team can perform and place athletes, the number of athletes the Chinese team can manage to place in the finals. So sighting time is over. As you can see, all the finalists are trying to gain in to find the proper concentration shot in this final. You see Pletikosic of Serbia getting ready for this. That is going to be the first final shot of this 10-meter air rifle men event final. As you heard, that range officer gave the command to load for the first competition shot. First out of 10. And it's surely going to be a tough final since all the shooters qualified within 2 points of difference. Now on Stevan Pletikosic. Great concentration of the Serbian shooter, and his third competition shot is frustrating headpoint 2. After the match we are used to higher results. Václav Hamann, 10.7, a great shot of this shooter from Czech Republic. So after the first shot, we have Petr City still on the lead, but close follow by the Chinese Lin Yun, just a few tenths of a point behind him, while Mario Nogler keeps his lead down in third position, followed by the Czech Václav Hamann, while Guanin Zhu made a good 10.3, while Stevan Pletikosic is now on the last position due to that 8.2. Not a great shot. 4.2 points behind the leader, Petr City. But as you can see, all the finals are very tight, very close one each other, so everything is possible. Now on Petr City. Ale Moldoveanu. Moldoveanu, last year silver medalist of the World Championship in Zagreb. You can see Moldoveanu taking his time. He always does like this, taking his time before aiming. A great 10.7 on his first final shot. Great 10.7 that took him up in the scoreboard. It's now virtually in fourth. And it's another 10.7, another great shot of Alan George Moldoveanu, marking great shots in this final. Who's starting in 7th is now climbing up the scoreboard. You can see the range officer on the stage of Sydney 2000. And Petr City still on the lead, but as you can see, Alan George Moldoveanu is climbing up the scoreboard. He is now virtually in 4th. In a tie score for the 3rd place with Mario Nogler of Austria. Petr City keeps the lead, followed by Yun Lin, who's now 1.4 behind him. While Stevan Pletikosic marks a better shot, now regaining a part of that disadvantage that he had after that first score. Mario Nogler starting in second. Now back on the third competition shot. Liu Tanyoi, 25 years old, People's Republic of China. Liu Tanyoi, current Asian champion, bronze medalist at the first World Championship, first World Cup of the year in 4 banning. And it's another good shot of 10.5. 10.5 as well as Zhou Qingyang, his teammate, marking high scores, and also Lin He, the third Chinese finalist, scores another 10.5. So all the 3 Chinese finalists scored 10.5. The Serbian Athletic College seems to have a few problems now, going down again under 10 with a 9.9, as well as the Austrian Mario Nogler 9.8, and also the leader C.D. Peter now was shooting on the lead. He has now scored a 9.7, losing part of his advantage on second on the following Hing Lin of China, who's now very close, just 6/10 of a point behind him. So as you can see, C.D. Peter is still on the lead with 0.6 point of advantage on Lin He of China, while Moldoveanu is now following in third. Great performance of Moldoveanu, climbing up the scoreboard, while the Czech Republic, the Czech athletes Hauman is in fourth, followed by Mario Nogler in fifth. Mario Nogler, who made a poor shot of 9.8, is leading down, but rank is very short. All the finalists are very close one each other. The only one that we can say that is out of the final for sure is Pletikozic, now with 4.4 points of disadvantage from the leader, Peter City. Hauman, 9.7. The great competition of Hauman, success anyway. He won a quarter place. Yeah, back on Peter City, the leader, 10.2. 10.2 of Peter City, coming back. He marked a poor now at 9.7 on the previous shot, is now back for 10.2. While Lin He keeps scoring high score, 10.5 now. The Chinese Lin He is just 0.3 of a point behind Peter City. And it's an exciting duel for this gold medal. George Moldoveanu, 10.3. 10.3 for Moldoveanu. Moldoveanu is running to the podium, starting in 7th now. As you can see, climbed up to the 3rd position. So now we have C.D. Peter in 1st, but just 0.3 of a point behind him. Lin Yun is coming closer, while Moldoveanu, marking great shot, climbed it up, as now virtually in 3rd, just 9/10 of a point behind Peter City. So once again, a tough final. Everything is possible in the first position. The games for the podium still open after this. That was the 4th final shot.